The goal of the snatch is to explosively and powerfully move the barbell from the ground to overhead in one continuous movement. The force generated is due to the quick and powerful extension of the ankles, knees, and hips, commonly referred to as triple extension. Biomechanically, the position of the joints are extremely similar to a vertical jump, as shown. The red circles highlighted show the similarity of the joint's complete extension in each movement. The snatch begins by the athlete approaching the bar. The feet should be about hip to shoulder width apart and parallel to each other. The athlete will then bring their hands down towards the bar and drop the hips towards the floor, mirroring a squatting position. The hands should be far enough apart so that when the athlete stands up, the bar will be centered in the crease of the hip. The shoulders should also be either in line or over the bar at the start. The feet should either be pointed forward or slightly out, never pointed in. When an athlete performs the snatch, there are various positions throughout the lift that should be visible to ensure that it is being performed correctly. The first position is immediately off the floor, which is also known as the first pull. The shoulders are over the bar, the knees move slightly out or back, and tension is felt in the quads, upper, mid, and lower back. As the bar moves above the knee, the athlete is now in the second pull or hang position. The shoulders are still positioned over the bar, the stretch in the hamstrings should be felt, and tension is still maintained throughout the entire back. Once the bar has reached the hips, the athlete is now in the third pull or power position. It is called this because it is the position where the greatest amount of power can be generated by triple extension. The shoulders are now behind the bar and the hips and knees are both in a flexed position, prior to extension shown in the next photo. Finally, the athlete will forcefully shrug under the bar into a squat, meeting the bar at its peak height. In the receiving position, the shoulders should be actively pushing upward on the bar and the hips should be allowed to drop as low as mobility will allow. From this, the athlete will stand up and have completed the movement.